this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a black 2013 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number 18K20A. You've got a sharp chrome surround on the grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a general tire. Inside, you have a power sunroof, and there is a black cloth and leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger 200. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've also got keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. That second row seating does fold into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Chrysler today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Stepping inside, to the left of the steering wheel, you have audio controls, and then over on the right-hand side, you have your cruise control. On the driver's side visor, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And then coming down to the center, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You do have capabilities for Sirius satellite radio, and there's also an auxiliary port. You've got buttons for heated front row seating, as well as your traction control button. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There is a USB port here. You've got a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 29 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Chrysler or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.